Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. During next 5 days, there is likelihood of continuation of wet spell over northwest India during next 3 days and over central India during 27 to 29th of December and over East India on parts of East India on 28th and 29th of December. No cold wave conditions are likely and dense fog is likely to continue over Punjab, Haryana and North Rajasthan during next 3 days. And there is also likelihood of hailstorm activity over Madhya Pradesh, over Vidarbha, over Marathawada, parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, East Uttar Pradesh and adjoining parts of West Uttar Pradesh during 28th to 29th of December. Now, if we come over to the realized weather, then the fog, dense fog has been realized over, very dense fog has been realized over Bhatinda station of South Punjab, where 0 meter visibility has been recorded, and over Ganganagar, Hisar, and Rajkot of Gujarat, 50 meter visibility have been recorded, and over Amritsar, Ludhiana, Aligarh, Safdarjung of Delhi, Varanasi, Nagaon of East Madhya Pradesh, over Sundarnagar, Gwalior, Kyonjargarh of Odisha, Gopalpur, Silchar of Assam, and Bangalore, 200 meter visibility have been recorded uh, during the morning hours of today. If we come over to synoptic systems, then today a western disturbance as a cyclonic circulation is lying over East Afghanistan and adjoining parts of Pakistan in lower middle tropospheric levels, and an induced cyclonic circulation is lying over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood, and a trough is extending from this induced scissor to Vidarbha across East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh. So, under the influence of these three systems, the western disturbance, the induced scissor, and the trough in easterlies extending from this induced scissor to central parts of the country, isolated to scattered rainfall is likely over Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh during next 3 days up to 28th of December. Cloudiness is already continuing over these regions, and this would continue up to 28th of December. And this rainfall isolated to scattered rainfall, this will be only just a drizzle, either drizzle or just a light rainfall. No more than that intensity rainfall is expected. And over western Himalayan regions, scattered to fairly widespread uh, light to moderate rainfall and snowfall over higher reaches is expected over Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, and Muzaffarabad. And Himachal Pradesh during next 3 days, with maximum intensity today over these two regions, and then it will decrease and would decrease and would become dry from 29th of December onwards. Over Uttarakhand, this isolated to scattered rainfall over lower reaches and snowfall over higher reaches is likely to continue up to 29th of December, and even on 30th of December there is likelihood of isolated light rainfall over Uttarakhand. If we next we come over to the main system, which is going to, so currently this system during next 26 to 28th, it is not going to impact much, as the western disturbance has become has weakened. It is not as much stronger, and so in view of that, this weather over Northwest India, over Punjab, Haryana, West UP, over Rajasthan, and over Western Himalayan region is not likely to be that much intense. But from 28th of December, there is a likelihood of approaching of a westerly trough, which is going deep down into the Arabian Sea, and this is likely to supply moisture into the central parts of the country at middle tropospheric levels, and also there is a likely formation of an lower level trough in easterlies, and due to interaction between these two systems, there is probability of a hailstorm activity over Madhya Pradesh, over Vidarbha, over Marathwada, Chhattisgarh, East Uttar Pradesh and adjoining parts of West Uttar Pradesh on 28th of December. And as this lower level trough moves eastward, this area is likely to shift slightly eastwards, and the probability of this hailstorm activity would be there over East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and over western parts of Bihar and Jharkhand on 29th of December as well. And during this period, isolated to scattered, almost scattered light to moderate rainfall would occur over these regions, over the regions of East Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Marathawada, uh, and East Uttar Pradesh and adjoining parts of West Uttar Pradesh on 28th of December, and on 29th of December over East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, and this Bihar and Jharkhand on 29th of December. From 30th of December, the weather would become almost dry over the entire region. And as far as minimum temperatures are concerned, so currently this minimum temperatures are running normal to in the normal to above normal category over these plains of North India, over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha. And these temperatures are likely to remain in normal to below above normal category during next 3 days. And after that, once this current western disturbance passes away, the lower level winds are likely to become the lower level winds are likely to become northerly, and under the influence of that, these temperatures are likely to fall by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and adjoining parts of Madhya Pradesh, and also adjoining parts of Uttar Pradesh. Although the temperatures are, since they are little high, so even after the fall, there is no likelihood of cold wave conditions over the country during next 5 days. Although dense fog conditions would continue over Punjab, Haryana, and northern parts of Rajasthan during next 3 days. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with the daily weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.